Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to show number row on the keyboard on Poco M7 Pro. Alright guys, so yeah, for those of you who feel confused and difficult because if you want to type a number on your keyboard, there is no shown keyboard there's no shown number on the top of your keyboard, but don't need to be worried guys, because you can show the number row in the front of your keyboard. And how to do that is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright, first now you can show your own keyboard like this, and there is no number in front of the keyboard, the first page of keyboard. And to show it on, now you can click on the laptop, and then now you can go to settings menu of the keyboard, and then after that now you can go to input, and over here now you can activate number row, and then the result would be like this. The number row will be shown in front of the keyboard like this. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial, and then thank you so much for watching.